everybody, this is Dr. Warren Kelstein here at Kelstein Chiropractic. We're in Baltimore, Maryland with Jason. Jason, you're a firefighter out of Montgomery County, correct?
That's correct.
We're just speaking about a really nice, awesome event coming up in about a week and a half from now. Jason, the name of the event and kind of what the event provides service for, can you go into details about that?
Yeah, so it's a 9/11 stair climb event. It's a National Fallen Firefighter Foundation. This year it's happening on September 10th at M&T Bank Stadium. Starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. You can register there in the morning if you want to ahead of time. I think that opens at 8 o'clock. Just raises awareness of it and raises funds for the families of the fallen. So to provide them with scholarships for school, housing, whatever they need in the event that someone dies.
So a memorial in a certain sense, as well as a fundraiser actively for the family members of fallen firefighters all across the country. It's not just local to here to Baltimore, Maryland. So if you are interested in supporting Jason and his team, there's a link below and you can donate directly to that program. It's a good program. They do good work in the community. Jason's been a part of the firefighting community for a while now, and when he vouched for him, I was like, oh, I'm interested. Let me take a look at it and see how we can help support those guys. So we're in the process of figuring out how we're going to do that. More to come later. But this is just a focus of ours over the next week and a half, so you'll be seeing a little bit more from us. And please, if you want to reach out and join and register, find our team or find Jason's team on there, join up and come out for a really wholesome event, as well as to do some good in our community. Montgomery County, Baltimore City, all those guys work hard. A lot of some of the stats that I hear, just because we get to see a lot of firefighters in the Baltimore community, are honestly just absurd in terms of how many calls, how many incidences that they have to kind of take care of around this area. So supporting those guys I think is very important, and if we can give back locally, we can see some change here. So thank you for your support if you do. If not, thanks for taking the time to listen to us, and looking forward to speaking more in the future. Thanks, Jason.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Awesome.